Water pump problems aren't always easy to diagnose. In this video, we'll explain how to identify several common water pump issues. The water pump prevents your vehicle from overheating by circulating coolant throughout the engine. The water pump consists of the body, the impeller, the shaft bearing, and the flange. The belt-driven water pump then drives the shaft bearing and impeller to push coolant into the engine. And finally, you have the weep hole to discharge unwanted vapor. There are three main failure modes for water pumps: leakage from either the weep hole or the block mounting surface, abnormal rumble, whine, or squeaking noises from the water pump area, and engine overheating due to insufficient coolant flow. Here are the most common causes of each failure. There are two types of leaks, one from the weep hole and one from the engine mounting surface. Most weep hole leaks are caused by a failed bearing seal, while most mounting surface leaks are caused by an installation error. Abnormal noises from the water pump area of the engine bay are usually a result of installation errors or seal leakage. For example, improperly sealing the water pump mount will cause noise, as will too little or too much drive belt tension. An overheating engine could be a sign of a failed water pump. If coolant is not maintained, it can corrode and damage the water pump, or even dissolve the water pump impeller. When it's time to replace your water pump, there are some important things to remember. Before you replace your water pump, make sure that the engine is cool to avoid burning yourself with hot coolant. An OEM quality water pump should last for the life of your vehicle if the cooling system is maintained. At GMB, we produce OEM quality water pumps for millions of vehicles, and we also supply our water pumps to automakers. When installing your new water pump, it is important to make sure that you do not dry turn the flange, or you may damage the carbon. Also, be sure that you do not apply liquid sealant to either the O-ring or any metal gaskets. Doing so may cause leaks to occur. Be sure to inspect your timing belt for any abnormal noises that may indicate a faulty belt. And for the final step, you should replace your coolant and check for any leaks. If no leaks are seen, then your job is done. GMB is the world's leading water pump manufacturer. We produce water pumps for millions of vehicles in North America, Asia, and Europe. If you buy a GMB water pump for your vehicle, and you follow both our installation recommendations and the manufacturer's cooling system maintenance recommendations, your GMB water pump should last the lifetime of your vehicle. Learn more by visiting gmb.net.